Hi everyone! Kumusta kayo? My name is Angelo. Welcome to my channel and mag-uusap na naman tayo about skincare, and skincare. So, make sure to keep watching. So, ang topic natin for this video is all about how to add hydration and moisture to your skincare routine. Now, alam natin na iba-iba ang mga skin type ng lahat and there are a lot of times where we end up buying the wrong hydrating or moisturizing product para sa skin natin. Merong mga oily skin na masyadong makapal yung moisturizer na binili, kaya nag-clog yung pores nila, or dry skin na gumamit ng masyadong lightweight na moisturizer, kaya hindi na-address yung dryness ng skin nila. So in this video, tutulungan ko kayo on how to add the right hydrating and or moisturizing products to your skincare routine para mas maging mataas yung chance na mahiyang sila sa specific skin type, skin condition, or skin routine ninyo. Also, this video is in partnership with Hada Labo, pero as always guys, hindi ko kayo pipilitin to buy their products, but I will show why they have good examples of products that can bring back the hydration and moisture to your skin. Lalo-lalo na't marami silang mga fragrance-free and alcohol-free options. This is great para sa mga sensitive skin dyan. So that being said, let us begin. So ang pinaka-importanting step in adding hydration and moisture to your skincare routine is step 1, know your skincare terms. Now in my opinion, sa segment ng moisturizers and hydrating toners, yung pinaka-confusing when it comes to terms kasi sobrang dami talaga nilang terms for hydrating toners and moisturizers. Sa mga toners, merong hydrating toner, essence, lotion, tas sa mga moisturizers naman, may mga gel creams, milks, hydrators, light gels, emulsion, and so on and so forth. Na kung na-notice ninyo, these products can be very, very similar to each other, pero iba-iba rin ang tawag ng mga brands sa kanila. Now, this is mainly because there is no universally accepted na terms talaga in some skincare products, especially since yung mga skincare natin comes from different countries. Syempre, iba-iba rin yung mga lengguwahe and cultures nila. So, may mga products na pwedeng toner ang tawag dito sa Pilipinas, pero essence ang tawag sa Korea, pero lotion ang tawag sa Japan. And again, generally, may mga small differences sila, pero all in all, it's simply a hydrating, watery product. Ang difference lang is how light or how rich the liquid can be, depending sa hydration na kailangan ng skin mo. Now, as an example, itong Hada Labo Gokujun Hydrating Lotion. Now, in the Philippines, ang typical na iniisip natin sa isang lotion is yung sa katawan. But for this one, ang lotion is actually Japan's equivalent to a hydrating toner. Now, as for moisturizers, iba-iba rin ang mga names ng mga products na to, but the name could be a giveaway as to kung ano yung pwedeng maging texture or consistency niya. Of course, kapag nakasabing gel or nakasabing cream, medyo alam nyo na kung ano siya. But in the middle, there are watery gel creams, light gels, emulsions, hydrators, etc., etc. Parang dito lang sa Hada Labo, they have water gels and they also have light creams. So sa case ng mga moisturizers, medyo mapapaisip kayo, alin ba dapat yung sa oily skin na lightweight and nagsiseal in ng hydration, and alin ba yung dapat sa dry skin that can help prevent yung pag-flaky. Although merong clue dun sa pangalan ng product, ultimately, ang makakasabi sa'yo kung compatible talaga siya for your skin is yung consistency or texture ng product. Now, if the product feels light and watery on your skin, like for example, mga water-based moisturizers, mga water gels, mga gel creams, usually if it has the word water or gel, yun yung mga moisturizers na karaniwan focused on hydration or yung tawag nga ng iba, mga hydrators. So, i-hydrate nila yung skin mo using ingredients that can hold water. For example, yung glycerin or hyaluronic acid. And then, sa ingredients list nila, they will have only maybe 1 or 2 ingredients na makakatulong sa pag-smooth out ng skin and sa pag-seal in ng hydration. And the reason why 1 or 2 ingredients lang ilalagay nila for this is yun kasi yung advantage ng oily skin. Less prone siya to skin cracking or chapping, and typically, kaya niyang mag-hold ng moisture ng mabuti. So kahit 1 or 2 ingredients lang ang ilagay sa product that will help oily skin do this, okay na yun. Now on the other hand, if the product feels a bit thicker, medyo creamy, medyo waxy, chances are these are made for dry skin. And the reason for this is hindi kasi magaling ang dry skin mag-hold on to moisture. And this is why a lot of board-certified dermatologists recommend thicker, creamier moisturizers for dry skin. Kasi yung mga thicker and creamier moisturizers na to, meron tong mga oils and waxes that fill in the cracks ng skin and also help seal in moisture para bumalik sa pagiging smooth, hydrated, and moisturized yung normally dry na skin. So yun yung isa sa mga practical ways on how to find out kung para sa inyo ba ang isang hydrating or moisturizing product. Of course, know your terms, but also know your skin type and see if bagay ba yung certain product na to for your skin. But if you want to go deeper into this topic, specifically into the science of moisturizers, do check out my video here on how to choose the right moisturizer. Magiging very helpful din ito in figuring out the best type of moisturizer for you. Alright, so next we move on to step number 2, know which products can cause dryness on your skin. So sa mga skincare routines natin, there are actually a lot of products that can potentially be drying to our skin. Like for example, mga drying cleansers, even some toners and serums na may mga active ingredients, and even mga acne medications. A lot of these have drying side effects. At dahil dito guys, importante munang napipinpoint nyo kung alin sa mga products sa routine ninyo yung nakaka-dry ng skin, para malaman nyo rin kung ano yung gagawin. Kasi meron tayong dalawang options na pwedeng gawin depending on the products that cause dryness in your routine. Number 1, pwede nating i-switch out yung product and then ang ipapalit natin is a less drying na product. Or number 2, pwede nating i-offset yung drying side effect ng product. Meaning, magdadagdag tayo ng isa pang product na hydrating and or moisturizing para hindi masyadong mag-dry out yung skin natin sa ginagamit nating drying na product. Now, the question is, paano natin malalaman kung alin sa dalawang to yung gagawin natin? Now, as a basic general rule, kung yung product na drying sa routine ninyo was not prescribed by your dermatologist, then that is when it is okay to switch it out. Pero kapag yung drying product sa routine ninyo is prescribed ng derma ninyo, like for example, acne medication, or even medicated toners or medicated soaps, then it's best to keep it in your routine and then i-offset mo na lang yung drying side effects nila. Now, para mas magets nyo pa, magbibigay ako ng more examples on how to do this by showing kung paano ko siya in-apply sa sarili kong routine. So, unahin natin yung pag-switch out ng product. So, normally, ang morning routine ko is a BHA cleanser, my morning acne medication, a gel-type moisturizer, and a sunscreen. So, in this routine, there are 2 products that can cause dryness. Number 1, yung BHA cleanser ko because it has salicylic acid, which is okay siya na exfoliant, pero it can be drying as a side effect. And number 2, yung morning acne medication ko. Now, normally, itong routine na to, kaya to ng skin ko dati. But ever since tumapang yung acne medication na ginagamit ko, medyo mas mabilis maging sensitive at maging red yung skin ko. So, I had to make my routine less irritating sa skin. So, of these 2, since yung morning acne medication ko is prescribed, hindi ko siya pwedeng tanggalin. But since yung BHA cleanser ko is ako lang naman ang nag-decide nun, I can switch it out. So para maging less drying yung routine ko, I switched it out with a gentle cleanser. And speaking of gentle cleanser, a great example of one na mabilis lang mahanap sa mga stores is of course the Hada Labo Gokujun Hydrating Face Wash. Now sa mga cleansers ng Hada Labo, ito talaga yung super duper favorite ko because this one is particularly gentle sa skin ko. Hindi to drying at all. In fact, ang dami pa nga niyang hydrating ingredients like for example hyaluronic acid, and that really helps out my skin na mabilis mag-dry and mag-irritate from my acne medication. And specifically, nung nilipat ko yung BHA cleanser ko for this one, tinuloy-tuloy ko to for 30 days. And ang masasabi ko lang guys, something as simple as changing your cleanser to a less drying one can really make a big difference already sa skincare routine niyo. Kasi talaga guys, hindi na nai-irritate masyado yung skin ko from my acne medication after switching to a gentle cleanser like this one. And the simple reason is because binawasan ko yung products sa routine ko that can potentially irritate my skin. So yun guys is an example of how you switch out a product. Now next naman, magpapakita ako ng example on how you can offset the dryness ng isang product sa skincare routine ninyo. So now, i-check naman natin yung nighttime routine ko. So ang gamit ko before was a gentle cleanser, my nighttime acne medication, and a gel-type moisturizer. Now, naging problema ko sa routine na to is kapag nilalagay ko yung acne medication ko sa gabi, the next day makikita ko magkakaroon ako ng parang mga dry and flaky patches sa skin ko. And nung trinay ko i-point out yung mga drying products sa routine na yon, yung acne medication ko lang yung drying. So, hindi ko naman pwedeng tanggalin yun kasi nireseta siya. So, ang dinecide ko gawin is i-offset ko na lang yung drying na side effect niya. And what I did was, actually number 1, nag-switch out muna ulit ako. So, instead of using just a plain gel moisturizer, lumipat ako to a moisturizer na pwedeng ma-prevent yung pagiging flaky ng skin ko. So, to replace my ultra lightweight gel moisturizer that wasn't helping na ma-prevent yung flakiness sa skin ko, ang ginamit ko instead was yung Hada Labo Hydrating Light Cream. And ito guys, medyo mas rich rich yung texture nito, pero in general, light and hydrating pa rin siya. And that's perfect for me kasi oily skin ako. So after na na-switch out ko na yung products ko, ito na yung offset na sinasabi ko sa inyo. And actually, natutunan ko tong technique na to kay Dr. Dre. She's a board-certified derm dito sa YouTube and she also makes very helpful skincare videos. So nakita ko sa isa sa mga videos niya na pwede mong gawin to lessen the irritation from your acne medication is, after mo mag-gentle cleanser, maglagay ka muna ng thin layer ng moisturizer and then let it dry. And then after that, dun mo ilagay yung acne medication mo. Now, yung purpose daw nito is to create a buffer para hindi agad-agad ma-absorb lahat ng product sa skin mo. Kasi the faster that the product or the acne medication absorbs into your skin, usually mas mabilis siyang ma-irritate. So with a moisturizer that's a bit more rich, medyo mas babagal yung absorption sa skin. And just like that, guys, just as easy as a small change sa skincare routine ko, as in nagpalit lang ako ng moisturizer to one that is a bit more rich, pero light and hydrating pa rin. And pinalitan ko lang yung order in which I put this. So inuna ko yung moisturizer and then I put on my acne medication in as short as 30 days, guys, na wala na yung drying and flaky side effect ng acne medication ko. So as you guys can see with this example, yung pag-offset is all about using the right product sa pag-hydrate and moisturize ng skin. As well as using it strategically para hindi ma-dry out yung skin natin, lalo sa mga acne medications. So syempre, mga examples lang to, in-apply ko lang siya sa sarili kong skincare routine, but your skin situation can be different from mine. Pero feel free to use these hydrating and moisturizing tips whenever you feel na necessary sila. Alright, and our third and final tip for adding hydration and moisture to your skincare routine is prioritize your products properly. So gaya nga ng sabi natin kanina, napakaraming mga klase ng hydrating and moisturizing products na minsan medyo mahirap na or confusing to choose kung ano ba talaga yung best para sa skin natin. Kasi for example, both a hydrating lotion and a light cream can be hydrating sa skin natin, especially since they both have hyaluronic acid. So, ano ba yung dapat piliin? So, as a very general rule, you would first want to get a moisturizer. Na ang moisturizer can stand alone in hydrating your skin and sealing in the moisture kasi kompleto na siya sa mga ingredients na ginagawa ito. So kung ganun, mapapatanong kayo, ano pa nga ba ang use ng toner or in this case, a hydrating lotion? Well, for me, ang nagiging use ng hydrating toner or hydrating lotion can be three things. Number one, to add extra hydration sa skincare routine niyo if you feel like your moisturizer is not doing it enough. And number two, if gumagamit kayo ng serums, a hydrating toner actually helps prepare your skin for the serum para mas mabilis mag-absorb yung serum sa skin natin. So again, alalahanan natin yung analogy na parang sponge daw yung skin. Pag mas basa siya, mas madali niyang i-absorb yung iba pang mga ipapatong mo sa kanya. Also, number three, ito medyo aesthetic purposes na to, pero yung additional na paggamit ng hydrating toner or hydrating lotion gives you that supple, dewy, bouncy skin finish with or without makeup. As in, kung nagme-makeup ka, this and a moisturizer can help prep your skin for that dewy, bouncy finish. Pero kahit wala kang makeup, this really just helps your skin give it that bouncy, hydrated glow. And actually guys, kapag nakita niyo yung ganun na skin after nila mag-skincare, it just simply means that their skincare is very hydrating. And itong Hada Labo Hydrating Lotion, this is the perfect example of that. Sabi nga nila kapag in-apply mo to, you instantly get that bouncy feeling sa skin because this really just instantly hydrates your skin. And actually, this is one of the richer hydrating lotions that I've tried. Hindi siya mabigat, but grabe talaga siya maka-hydrate compared to other hydrating toners kasi jam-packed to with hyaluronic acid. And yung texture talaga nito, parang very different talaga siya from a lot of hydrating toners na parang water lang. Ito parang fat water siya. And I really feel that that's what sets it apart as Japan's #1 facial lotion. So ayun na siya guys. I hope nakatulong tong mga tips na to in adding hydration and moisture sa mga skincare routine ninyo. And if you found any of the products in this video interesting, naglagay ako ng links to the official Mentolatum store in the description box para makapagkuha kayo ng legit and authentic Hada Labo products. Also, if you found this video informative, please do leave me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. And as always guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye!